Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I am Herin Setiafebrianti as the moderator who will open the discussion. We from Group 2 will present about previewing and predicting in reading. Before the presentation begins, introduce our group members, namely Fadilah, Fathan, Firza, Vivi, Hana, Intam, and I, Herin. Next, we will read the presentation material.
Preview and predicting text. There are two skills that are essential for a good reader, preview and prediction. The aim of preview is to help you to predict or make some education guesses about what in the book. You should develop the habit of applying this skill whenever you read. Preview and predicting before you read can make a big difference. You can get some idea about what you will read. That's why you will begin to process the information far more quickly. You will also be able to follow the reader idea better. Though it takes a few minutes, preview and predict, those 4 minutes are well invested. You will find that later you save reading time and gain comprehension.
Previewing is a speed reading activity. This activity allows you, the student, to place the text according to the context. This activity also helps you to assess the level of difficulty of a reading text and how deep your background knowledge is on the topic being discussed. So this is the analog. If you are about to start a journey and you already have a map, then you can plan your trip. You will also have an idea of what will be you meet on the way. Such is the benefit of previewing, because you read in passing first, it will make it easier for you when doing reading activities.
Previewing also gives you the experience that you can extract the essence of information from a reading text without having to read it word for word. This previewing activity also provides the ability to become one of the basic assets to increase the level of reading speed and also to be further asset in skimming. As for predicting, it is a reading skill where you have awareness and vigilance of the thought process that occur when we draw in inference.
Previewing is a indispensable skill in pre-reading activities because with previewing you can anticipate and predict what you will read. When you make prediction, you are predicting what will happen. You will be a good reader if you make prediction. As you read, guess what will happen next. When you read a story, it never hurts to guess what will happen next. You will psychological anticipate by making prediction. You can use the illustration to help make prediction.
In reading, you can sometimes guess what sentence you will read next, based on what you are reading and have just read. The prediction can be based on content sentence so that you can predict the next event. However, you can also predict the next ID because of the discourse markers, such as the word, phrase, but all talk, otherwise, and so on.
Guidelines for previewing passage. Pedoman untuk melihat pratinjau bagian. To preview a passage, read only some part. Untuk melihat pratinjau suatu bagian, baca hanya beberapa bagian. 1. Read the title. Baca judulnya. 2. Look at the picture, if there are any. Perhatikan gambar jika ada. 3. Read the first few sentences in the first paragraph. Baca beberapa kalimat pertama di paragraf pertama. 4. Read the first line of the other paragraph. Baca baris pertama paragraf lainnya. 5. Read the first and last sentence of the last paragraph. Baca kalimat pertama dan terakhir paragraf terakhir.
Guidelines for previewing and predicting longer passage. Number 1. Read the title. What is the passage about? Do you know anything about the subject? Number 2. Decide what kind of text it is. Is it an essay, an argument, a story, an explanation? Does it seem difficult? Number 3. Look at the way the text is organized. Is it divided into parts? Are there subtitles? If so, what do they tell you about the way the subject is presented? Number 4. Read very quickly the first line of each paragraph or subdivision. Can you tell what the passage is about? Do you already know something about it? Number 5. Notice names, numbers, dates, and words that are repeated. Do you recognize any of them? Number 6. Read quickly the last few sentences in the final paragraphs. What is the author's final point? Is it a conclusion or a summary?
That's all the presentation from our group. If there are less and mistakes, we apologize. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.